What up? Guys, what's up, guys? Oh, man. So today is, let me turn around and get the good light here. So today is day 3 of me being in Vegas. Right now, I'm just in the hotel room, chilling out. The thing about this is I don't know what's really ever planned out. Like, I was supposed to go do something, go help out DP, so I'm going to be doing some things with him. I think he got to shoot at 11 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken. And then after that, I think something else is going to go on, and then we're going to end up going to the show here a little bit later and go check out the showroom at WPPI. So you definitely will be able to see that because we're all definitely going to go meet up and get to the showroom. So with that being said, I am now done. Go ahead and brush my teeth and do all the basic stuff, bro. And then go ahead and get my day started, see where everybody else is at, and go link up and definitely go check out WPPI. We just got done helping out DP. Oh man, she is really short, guys. And I'm really tall. How did you enjoy shooting with the whole gang?
I had so much fun. You guys are great, honestly. They made me feel very comfortable and helped me with all my poses, all my moves, so it was great.
She had a good time. And what is your Instagram, just in case for the people out there so they can want to follow you, if they want to hit you up, if they want to work with you?
Sierra Moves Mountains.
You see a gang, she's in the building now. But yeah, that was a pretty quick little fun shoot. I did most of the light and I just kind of got like a little 10 minutes of her because everybody else left and had to go do something else. So, and I think she said she's going to come back and shoot out tonight. Is that correct?
Yeah, I think so. We're going to try and make it work. So we'll see what happens.
We're going to see what's going to happen, man. When we got here at WPPI, man, you know, we're always on the go, always on the move. It's just kind of how we just do it when we all get together. So, and right now, I think me and Tog Life is just going to go walk around and go do stuff and go meet some other photographers and just see what we can really get ourselves into. So, yeah, that's what we got to go do for my blog, for my YouTube vlog.
My name is Antoinette. I'm from Chicago. I go by Amber Photography. I'm a wedding photographer and just overall dope individual.
So, is this your first time being at WPPI?
It is.
My first time too. First time too. Don't run away.
Awkward person. That's the problem.
Don't run away for the blog. Tell me where you're from, what you do.
Chicago. I'm a wedding, portrait, maternity, branding photographer.
Oh, she's all over the place. Chicago native.
Yeah. What's the question? What you do? Where you from?
What you do? What's your first from?
I'm Dominique. I'm a photographer, of course. Lakeisha Love. Chicago, of course. I shoot weddings, branding, general portraits. I love my studio work.
Nice and quick and easy.
Sir, thank you. Just got finished, registered, got my badge here. I am now official. As you can see, I'm official. My very first WPPI registration, my very first event. Now we just gotta wait till tomorrow till the floor opens. Man, they had a line that was freaking ridiculously crazy. And also, for some reason or another, we are absolutely getting a lot of attention from people. Like, I don't know if it's that we just have a good look about us, but Anthony and I, we are absolutely getting a lot of people just coming up and just randomly talking to us. So it's actually kind of very shocking. Man, what is going on? Look who we just ran into. What? Now, you know we haven't seen my boy B. Holley since Nashville.
In a whole month.
And the man just dropped a video with me in it today, too, as well.
And I did.
That is true. Go ahead, throw out where they should see you. Come and check that.
First, you should be here at WPPI, but that's okay. We'll see y'all on the next one. But follow my YouTube, Braxton Holley. And I'll continue to drop the good stuff for you and everyone else.
Yeah, so go check him out, man. You know B. Holley's here. is up, man? We are now here at nighttime. We are down at a place called Fremont Station, or either Fremont area, whatever the case may be. But this is definitely a whole entire vibe. It actually reminds me when I'm back at home, actually at 4th Street Live, because that's the whole thing. It kind of aesthetics, it kind of gives out. But at the same time, as you can see, it is the 7th Street, but this definitely gives out 4th Street Live in Louisville vibes with the whole entire just neon light situation that you can see right behind me. So as of right now, we have Tmidd about to do a shoot with a model that we shot a couple of days ago with JD, and she was a really awesome model. We did it on the Canyon at late night. As you can see, we're in another late night spot down here. A little Prairie Man thing right behind me, like it shoots out like some type of fucking fire, like flame fire type shit. It's fucking crazy. We're supposed to shoot another one with DP. I don't know where he went to though, but he's somewhere running around here. He should be, but we're also going to shoot with him. I wish that fire thing would do it again though. Let's see if it's going to do it. Come on, fire. It's a cool shot too right here with the fire. See if it's going to do it. I don't think so. Going on, guys? As you can see, man, we are in a new location. Just went ahead and gave y'all that little quick preview of me being at WPPI, showing y'all a quick little thing. And now we are here at the famous Ghost Town. As you can see around me, guys, we are here at Ike's Photowalk. We are here to help out and be a helper, or whatever the case may be. So this is going to be pretty cool. And I get to go ahead and just look at this ghost town. My first time, my very first experience. So I'm really excited about it. From what my understanding, what Todd told me is that this used to be an old mining town. So I'm going to hopefully get in here and really find somebody to give me a good tour and tell me a little bit more about this place. But of course, you guys are just going to enjoy, see the Ice Photo Walk, give you a little B-roll from here and there. This trip has absolutely been awesome. I've really enjoyed myself so far. I leave out tomorrow night, so this is going to be one of my last days here. So I'm definitely really excited. So let's go ahead and get y'all going to see this montage of my Ice Photo Walk.
Come this way.
Peeps, back down here on Fremont, bro. We was here last night, one of our last nights here. know I didn't give y'all a lot of vlogging or talking heads today, but today is absolutely my last day at WPPI / Las Vegas. Right now, I'm in front of the Caesar Palace. As you can see that right behind me. Go Caesar. So yeah, man, it's been absolutely a blast, bro. I'm here right now messing around with DP. Right now, you see DP over here shooting behind me. So he's doing his thing, doing his little shoot, just out here helping out. And honestly, I probably will be leaving here after this shoot and heading to the airport to get on my ride. But absolutely had an amazing time, man. It was really, really dope. I hope you enjoy. So enjoy the little BTS from this shoot.
Really feathered it, really. You know what? The full body, fancy air. I see.
All right.
Difference.
What made you come back?
Your vibe, everyone's vibe.
Oh, everybody. I didn't know that we was gonna be here. You just assumed that we was gonna be.
Well,
So she didn't even know we was gonna be here, and she said she wanted to shoot with all of us on our vibes.
we're your friends. I know you need your friends.
Say your name. You know, I'm not even gonna say no name.